got the bonus. I'm hoping we can get that mansion bonus. Mansions. We want the mansions. We want the mansions. Oh no. Oh no. Mega hats. Okay. Okay. Hopefully we get the big mega hat in the middle. Let's get the big ones. Big one. We want the huge mega hats. Big, 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 big. Okay. We're cool with that one too. Now we need hats on top of hats. If we can't get those re-triggers, then there's no point in even getting it. We're 2 cents and all. Come on, hats, hats, hats. Oh no. Oh no, hats. Hats, 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 hats. Where's our re-triggers? Last spin, unless they want to give us hats. Nope. Did not want to give us hats. Give us the coins under the sticks. 2 cent denom. Coins, coins, coins. More coins. No, did not give us coins. Okay. $50. $52. Wow, got the bonus on a new game. Wait a minute, what is the name of this game? What is the name of this game? I'm gonna figure it out. Oh, Dragon's Train. Here we go. Hopefully it's good. Wait, you only get 6 games? Oh, we need the bonus and the bonus for 6 games. Ooh, we need re-triggers. Oh, wait a minute, what is that? Double balls? Come on, balls win. Whoa, we got it. So we got the $20 mini. Okay. All right. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see. Now we're gonna, come on. Drop it. Ooh, y'all need to drop some bigger numbers. What is this? Another mini for $20? Oh, okay. Drop it. Get in there. Oh, whoa. Yeah, we've been here before. We don't see a ball. Okay. What? And we're still in the bonus. We're on 2 cents denom, $2. It's the bet. My bad, new game. Oh, that's a new game over there. I want to check that one out. $96 and oh, we need to do that again. Bonus and a bonus. They know they could have dropped that. Ugh. They love to tease. 4 more games. That was our second spin. That is awesome. Come on, do it. Do it. Come on, boss. I like that feature on each side. Don't be done with us. Do it. 4 more balls, balls. Do it. Land it. We got it. Come on, balls. Look at that. Oh, that filled it up. Look at that. Do it. We need bigger numbers. Bigger numbers. Come on. Get that $20 in there. I see you going around again. Come on, $20. Okay, we need to knock on this one more time. Give it a little more time. We got one more spin and one more game. Look. Uh-oh. Do it. Get in there. Save it. It looked like that was a train. What does that mean? Interesting. $62 on that spin. That's good. Bonus in the bonus. Saved us. That saved our butt. Bonus and bonus. One last game. Can we do it again, pause? No. That was asking for too much. But that was still good. New game. Dragon Train. Let's give it another spin. That was... That was good. Okay. We're going to leave out of here with our $191 because that was awesome. Find something else.